Do you have trouble with packing, airport security, or that scratchy pillow wrapped in plastic? If so, this article has some helpful tips on how to manage an overnight plane ride. 1. Wear comfortable leggings with a loose shirt. When you get off of the plane, you will look cute. You can throw a pair of fuzzy socks in your carry-on bag. Also, you might want to check to make sure you aren't wearing any belts, headbands, or hair ties with a metal band. 2. Do smart packing. You will most likely need a suitcase and a carry-on bag. Use a website that lets you check off what you need and it will print out your personal packing list. Make sure to include pants, shirts, rain jackets, socks, underwear, cosmetics and toiletries, and any chargers you may need. If you are traveling to Europe, for example, you need an outlet converter so that you can charge your phone. 3. After security, before the flight, pick up some magazines and gum in a store before you're bored. When you chew gum, it prevents your ears from popping. You might also want to pick up a neck pillow. Steer clear of hardcover books, they add a ton of weight to your bag. If you have an e-reader, bring that, and ask a parent if you can download a few new books for the flight. 4. On board, get set up in your seat. Don't put anything into the overhead compartments. Your carry-on should be small enough to fit under the seat in front of you. If you have an aisle seat, be aware that the people closer to the window will have to climb over you to go to the bathroom. If you have a window seat, adjust the blinds to your liking, and settle in. Place any items that you will use frequently for the duration of the flight into the seat pocket in front of you. Keep the tray table up until you are served meals. Remember, it's perfectly acceptable to ask the flight attendant for anything that will make you more comfortable. Napkins are always a good thing. Make sure to have some water at some point, because the air inside of a plane is super dry and will make you extremely thirsty. Also, bring some headphones with you so that you don't have to deal with the poor quality ones that they provide for you. Try not to recline your seat unless you really need to. Then, ask the person behind you if it is okay. You certainly don't want to lean back, only to find that the person behind you had their tray down with soup and a cup of orange juice. 5. Go to the bathroom while keeping cleanliness in mind. When you go, don't touch anything other than what you have to. While going, if you feel some turbulence, don't worry about it. Just wash your hands very well, and use a paper towel to open the door on your way out. Make your way back to your seat quickly and quietly, especially if other people are waiting. 6. You're at your destination. It's morning, and you feel tired. What do? First, always accept the muffin or whatever they give you. It could be a while before you eat. Gather all of your belongings, and double-check the seats in front and back of you. Things can slide back during a flight. When you are sure you have everything, wait until you can exit the plane. In order to find your bag easily on the luggage carousel, get there before other people. There will be less confusion about whose bag is whose, and you can also try tying a ribbon around the handle.